Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure NBA 2K24 is updated and back up your My Team or My League save. Once done, load the franchise or team management mode, go directly to the roster screen. From there, open the payroll or contract view. This is where cap mechanics live. You need clear visibility of player salaries and contract years. Make sure to switch to advanced display if available, because you need exact salary numbers to proceed safely. Now you'll change the cap controls inside league settings. Navigate to Settings League Rules and locate Salary Cap and Hard Cap toggles. Turn Salary Cap to off. If the UI requires a value, set the cap to $0 to emulate no cap. Then, check Team Payroll Rules, disable Luxury Tax and Automatic Cap Smoothing. Once you apply, save the league configuration. Doing this lets you sign free agents without cap penalties, so you can manage rosters freely in progress. Finish by applying the changes and performing a full restart of NBA 2K24. This ensures settings persist. You must be the commissioner or have equivalent rights, so confirm your account or save ownership. Otherwise, cap toggles won't take effect. If you still see cap constraints, reload the backed up save and reapply rules, or recreate the league with salary cap set to off from the initial creation screen. One troubleshooting tip: if settings revert, verify Cloud Sync is off before changing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.